Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve. Today we've got a very cool thing Advanblack just came out with, and that is the crash bar for the Sportster S. Today back here we got a 2021 Sportster S up on the lift, and I'll show you or walk you through how to install an engine guard on this bike. It's very simple. 4 bolts are going to come in the package. No modifications are needed to do this. We just got 2 simple little panels that we have to remove on the bottom of the bike. If you've ever been around one of these bikes, I'm assuming that you have one of these bikes, you'll know that there are a lot of plastic pieces on this bike. And right down at the bottom, there's just 2 little pieces that we have to remove to install the crash bar. Now this is designed to protect the Sportster S in case you have a stationary or low speed tip over. Of course, any crash bar on the market is not going to help the bike if you're in a high speed accident. Designed to protect the bike itself in case you roll over one side or the other. Of course, it's going to roll onto the engine guard instead of the side of the bike. So let's get the camera over here and we'll get this installed. Right up here above your radiator on the down tubes from your frame, you're going to have a bolt hole here and a bolt hole here. These are threaded, and the bolts that we provide in the kit will just go in here. Now if you follow the side of the radiator down, right down here, you're going to see this plastic piece right here. It is cut away from this skid plate down here at the bottom. This has a Torx 30 in it, so we're going to get that removed. Now with that piece removed, you can simply pull out on the bottom just like that, and you can slide this piece out. Now we're going to take that Torx 30 and we're going to put it right back in. We're just going to complete that on both sides of the bike. Now as you can see here, now you have another threaded bolt hole right here. So that bottom of that crash bar is going to come down, it's going to come in here, and it's going to bolt here. Inside the kit you will have 4 bolts. You're going to have 2 bigger bolts and 2 smaller bolts. 2 smaller bolts go to the bottom, 2 larger bolts go to the top right here. So the first thing we're going to tell you is take a towel, blanket, fender bib, whatever you want to do, put over this fender to kind of protect it, the back side of the forks and the brake calipers, so we don't want to scratch the crash bar as we're installing it. So as you can see, this engine guard is specifically made for the Sportster S. On the bottom, you'll have the 2 mounting bolts, and at the top, right above the radiator, 2 more mounting holes here. So when installing the engine guard, you've got 1 hose here, 1 line that comes on and goes right in front of one of the bolt holes. It is plastic, it's got rubber on the other side. This can be pushed over and pushed out of the way. You want to make sure that that is out of the way of that bolt hole when you get ready to set the engine guard. I'm going to simply very carefully put this into place. I'm going to reach through over the top. I'm going to take my large bolt and washer with a little bit of blue Loctite on there. And all we want to do right now is just get the bolt started. We don't want to run that down. We're going to hold it in the middle. We're going to go to the other side. I'm going to get this one started. And once we have the top ones started, we can reposition this bottom one. And that's the reason why we leave this loose, is we can move this around. I'm going to take our smaller bolt, washer, a little blue Loctite, and we're going to get this one started. Same thing on the other side. Now once we get all 4 bolts set, we can go ahead and run these in. The top 2 bolts are going to be a number 8 Allen. We're going to run these in. Make sure that that hose is out of the way. We don't want to pinch that. Same thing on both sides. The bottom one's going to be a 3/16 Allen. We'll snug that down on both sides. I'm going to torque the top 2 to 45 foot-pounds. The bottom 2 are a number 5 Allen. They're going to get torqued to 20 foot-pounds. And that, my friends, is all there is to installing an engine guard on a Sportster S. Very easy install. Like I said, you will get all of the hardware in the package when you receive it. Little blue Loctite and a couple of wrenches, and you'll have it installed in a matter of minutes. I hope this video helped you, but if you have any questions on it, you know the deal. Comment section down below. I'll try to help you the best that I can. I want to get out of here and get myself back to work. I hope to see you in the next video, but until then, as always, be safe. Keep your knees in the breeze.